Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing a Coach unboxing. I bought these items like about a week and a half ago and they came in the mail while I was out of town. So I'm going to go ahead and get right to this unboxing. So if you're interested in this video, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, so the first item that I'm going to show you is this Coach, I think it's called a Dopp Kit. It's still in the wrapping. I bought this to go with my Trekker bag and I was hoping that it would be a little bit smaller than what it is, but this item is huge. Look at this. I thought I could get this to go with my bag and I could use this inside of my bag to kind of coordinate with the bag. But this item is so huge, it actually reminds me of like a shoe bag. Like I feel like I could put shoes in this instead of using this for toiletries. Now, if you want to carry this, I was looking to carry mine inside of my bag, but if you're looking to carry this separate from the Trekker bag, this is still a good option to go with because it has this handle here. It has a handle here where you can carry this item, and clearly it's large enough and it's very spacious. It's stuffed with paper. I'm not going to take out all this paper because I don't think I'm going to keep it because it's not small enough for what I needed it for. I'm going to show you my shoe bag here. So here is my shoe bag. And then this is this. So my husband wears like a size 12 and his shoes fit in here like comfortably. And I don't wear as big as shoes. My shoes would fit in here very comfortably. I wear a 7.5. And so I could actually fit like a pair of my flat shoes in here. I don't think I'd be able to get heels in here, but definitely some flat shoes. But I don't need shoe bags, and this is just way too big for what I needed this for. So I'm actually going to return this back to the Coach store today. But I wanted to show you all in case you all wanted to see like how big this item is. And my husband doesn't really want it because he wanted something very similar to the one he already has. So I'll show you this next item that I picked up. It's in this here, and this is called, I think the first one is called a travel bag, travel kit, and this one is called a Dopp Kit, drop kick. I'm sure it's not drop kick, but Dopp Kit. Nice and wrapped, just how Coach always does it. They always deliver with the wrapping. If you just want to open up nice wrapping, buy from Coach. Okay. So here's this one from Coach. Very nice. It's still not, the shape is not what I was looking for, but I was hoping that this would be a hit with this one. Unlike this one, this is canvas and it has this strap. I love that it has this strap on it. Makes it easier to grab and to hold. This one, it would have been nice if it had a better strap besides this little hook, but I guess you can clip something to that. And it's not as large as this one. I'll put those side to side so you can see. It's not as large. Well, it's not as tall, let me say, but it actually is. It actually is almost very comparable. It's just not as tall. You can see that. It's not as wide, I guess. But it's really kissing pretty much being the same size, except for the height of the items. So I got this one because I wanted to replace my husband's, the one he's been using for about 12 years. And I'll show you his really quickly. This is my husband's bag. This is a Coach, I don't know, travel bag, toiletry bag. He's had this for about 12 years. And this thing is in excellent condition. And I'm going to have to probably just clean it because I wanted to find one with that similar shape. And this one is not going to cut it. I think this one is a little bit easier for him to grab because he likes to grab it like that. Or he'll sometimes grab it by this little end piece that's hanging off the end. Like he'll grab it like this. So it's a lot easier to grab and to manage. It's a lot malleable, so we can stick it in bags a lot easier. This one is not going to work, so I'm definitely going to return this one as well. So I hate that because I like that this was leather. But in case anybody had questions about what this looked like and the size, this one is large too, you guys. I'm not into really large travel bags like this, so this one is not going to work. This one is definitely a miss. Alright, you guys, so let's get to my next item I'm going to unbox. It's in this envelope here. And I purchased another Nolita. I felt like after I bought that first one, I just kind of got obsessed with Nolitas. With the 19 size anyway. I actually did not have any in my collection until I bought that pink one. This one went on sale on the website, and it's actually cheaper now than what I paid. It's $56 now, but I paid $65 with tax. It was like $71. So here we are. It's the black Coach. The one with the, there's a lot of paper on this. Let's see if we can get some of this paper off. The one with the black Coach monogram with the colorful print. I like the little colorful print on the front, which is kind of what drew me to it. I saw someone else do a review on this bag, and she is stuffed, of course. Let's see if we can get that out. She's stuffed, but I saw another review on this. It's got those little things on the inside. But I really like that fact that it was red on the inside. You know, typically when you see black bags, they usually have a black interior. And I like this because of the size of it and that you can find items a little bit easier in it. And I have a Coach Cassie that I was thinking about selling. I have the 19 size. And while it is smaller, I still feel like it's a little bit bulkier for what I want my black bags to be. I prefer a slimmer profile on my black bags, just really casual, carry and go, crossbody, nothing too large because I'm not really into black bags. So these are usually like my workhorse or travel bags or like kind of throw around bags I like to carry with me to the gym or to the grocery store. So I like that this was leather. It's soft. It's got that pebble leather texture. It's got that beautiful coloring right here in the front that gives it a little bit something, and it's not just a plain black bag. And then it has that pop of red on the inside. So I was definitely drawn to that. But I'm not going to try to make this very long. It's not a review. It's just an unboxing. So I'm going to get right to my last two pieces. Actually, I have three pieces. This, okay, so I have two of these already from Coach. I have a Louis Vuitton one as well. I bought my aunt one of these like maybe 2 years ago as a gift. And I didn't get myself one because I was like, you know, I already got mine. I don't really need another one. But since I'm on this monogram signature canvas splurge with Coach, I thought that I would go ahead and buy this one. I got the 5-ring key holder by Coach. And I picked it up because I noticed that I'm like wearing out the ones that I have. I do rotate them, but if you use them quite often, you can wear through those things. And I am wearing through mine like really fast. So I figured this would be a great time to just pick up one of these while they had that TikTok sale. If you all saw that TikTok sale, that's when I picked up these items. It's black on the inside, which I love. Love, love, love that black. I love that black and signature canvas together. Something about it is just, it's very masculine to me, but very feminine at the same time. So I think the black gives it like a masculine touch. So if my husband ever decided he wanted to use these pieces, he could. So I like that they kind of cross over for the sexes. But this is how it looks. There's, oh, the little clip just fell off, but this is how it looks. I love this. Great addition to my collection. So happy that I did pick this up and I got it on sale. So that's this piece. My other piece I'm going to show you all comes in here. I picked up the little AirPod holders. One of the things I noticed is that like my other AirPod holders, they're working just fine. Nothing is wrong with them. But they have like these little ears or something on it. So they're not very slim. They don't fit in my bag very comfortably. And so I needed something with a slimmer profile. Now granted, this still has a little bit of bulk on it. But again, it's the signature canvas with the black interior. And I wanted to get something to go with my other signature items. You can put something on the back. It has a little ring on the back to clip something on. I probably won't use that because I'm looking to use this inside my bags and not to clip it on my bags. But this is this item, the little AirPod holder. Alright, and my last item is in this bag here. I bought this because this reminded me, first of all, I was waiting for this to go on sale for like a very long time. It was 60 bucks originally, and I just could not pay that much for a charm. And when I get this off, you'll see, this is called the key fob holder. Not really sure. I saw Winnie B LV, I think that's her channel name. I can't get these little things off. Do a review on this, on her little mini tiny bags. These tape is on here really strong, you guys. Coach is not playing. They make this adult and child proof. Okay, let me just get that off so I can show you. I saw her do a review on this and I was like, oh, how super cute is that? Louis Vuitton has one very similar to this, where it's blue and it's got like the colors on it. I'm going to have to put like a screenshot or a picture of the Louis Vuitton one on here of this item. But this is a very functional item. It zips. You can put coins in here. You can put charger cords in here. You can put your AirPods in here. You can do, it is stuffed like Coach style. They have it stuffed really well. You can put quite a few items in here. You could actually fit like your cords, your AirPods in here, chargers, different things like that that you want to put in here, and clip this to, I guess, a work bag inside your bag. So it's actually very versatile. I really like this, and I definitely wanted to have a few mini bags from Coach. I did purchase the chambray one as well, so that one should be here hopefully within the next day. But this one is my last item on this haul. And I'll do a little review later. Don't want to make this too long. I'm already at 13 minutes. But these are my items in this haul. If you have any questions about these items, I'll try to link whatever I can in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you to my old subscribers for continuing to watch. And I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.